Hello guys, I'm Zora from Box. Today I'm going to talk about 3D printing or injection molding, which is better. Injection molding and 3D printing are excellent production methods, but their difference makes them ideal for various tasks. It all varies depending on what you are looking. 3D printing is becoming a viable alternative to injection molding, which has long seemed more professional, but things are changing. First, you will need to grasp their destination so you can figure out which one is best for your production process. 3D printing. 3D printing is a 3D printing process, which means that the entire manufacturing process is done by adding materials layer by layer. To use 3D printing to produce parts without creating mold, all you need is a 3D printing model file, and there are many different 3D printing techniques and material available on the market. Injection molding. Injection molding is traditional industrial manufacturing technique. This process allows you to create the contour of the part by injection material into cavity. This manufacturing technique enables repeat protecting of a product by injection a molten material into model, which then cools down and reaches its final cell shape. How to use 3D printing? With the development of 3D printing, there are dozens of printing technologies to choose from. If you need 3D printing filament, you can buy a 3D printer, such as FDM printer. If there are higher requirements for material and production processes, you can also expand investment to purchase more professional industry-grade 3D printers, such as SLS 3D printers. The purchase cost of a 3D printer depends on the specific needs of your company's project and budget. If the speed of developing new products is fast, it will be more cost-effective. How to injection molding large-scale production equipment is necessary to use this manufacturing technique. These injection molding machines contain a help an injection project and a heat unit. Making models using the injection molding process is a bit expensive, and if your product requires multiple alternation, it's very expensive to remake the mold each time. Since these models are usually made of steel, making changes is a bit complicated and not suitable for your protecting. However, if you plan to produce in large quantities, this is a great way to save time and cost. The benefit of 3D printing. 3D printing enables fast and easy prototyping. The flexibility of this process will help you save time and money, but it can also help you improve your product design. Advantage of injection molding can be mass produced with high precision and perfect repeatability. Material weight, cost, flexibility just for plasticity and possibilities seem endless. One of the services Yongbu offers is engineering the most effective solution. We can materialize your concepts and the idea into function, product, or a batch of items. If you provide us with your 3D model, CAD file, and hard-drawn sketch, we will be able to make it in SolidWorks, manage it, and confirm it with you. We make all existing items 3D and CAD design files available so you can modify them. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Bye bye.